Most people believe wealth dies in a sudden market crash. They believe in the myth of bad luck. They are wrong. Wealth is never lost. It is murdered. It is murdered by a single, fatal logical flaw that is sitting in your bank account right now waiting to strike. Today, we are opening the black box on a $100 million portfolio that bled to death in less than 24 months. No market crash, no bad luck, just pure fatal logic. This is not a story for your entertainment. It's a wealth autopsy. Welcome to the morgue of the 1%. Our subject was the ultimate golden boy of the tech industry. Net worth, $112 million. Assets, 14 luxury properties. Debt, zero, or so the public thought. But the black box reveals a different, darker reality. The subject suffered from a terminal case of lifestyle inflation fever. Logic dictates that as your income grows, your personal freedom should grow. But his logic was fundamentally flawed. Every time he made $1 million, he committed to $1.5 million in new liabilities. He wasn't building an empire. He was building a golden cage with no exit. He mistook credit for capital. He mistook the world's attention for true authority. In the dangerous world of the 1%, if you play for the crowd, you will eventually die for the crowd. The autopsy reveals the cause of death was not the global recession. It was liquidity suffocation. In 2024, interest rates ticked up by a mere 1.2%. To the poor, that's just another bill. To the over-leveraged elite, it's a bullet to the head. He had the mansions, the private jets, and the priceless art pieces. But he had no cash. He had paper wealth, an illusion of gold. When the banks called for their pound of flesh, he had nothing to give but excuses and broken promises. Logic lesson. If your wealth cannot be accessed in 24 hours, you aren't rich. You're just a glorified caretaker of the bank's assets. He sold his soul for the image of wealth, and when the image cracked, the reality crushed him into nothingness. We opened his secret file so you don't become another statistic. The verdict is clear. The subject died of pure financial arrogance. He ignored the Blackbox Rule number 1. Never bet your foundation on a variable you cannot control. You watching this right now? Are you building a house of cards? Are you buying things you don't need with money you don't have to impress people you don't like? If you don't change your logic today, you are just a future case study for this channel. Your current path is a slow-motion financial suicide. The files are open. The logic is yours to keep. If you want to master the rules they never taught you in school, stay inside the black box, follow the journey, or stay a victim of the system. We don't ask for likes. We ask for your discipline. This is Blackbox Wealth. Case closed. The truth is often buried deep, but here, we dig it up for you.